That's the that's the two central heating pipes together there, so like to be able to isolate them all. Now, where would you like to put the waste? Is it supposed to be on the floor? We've made it on a platform. It doesn't make a difference. It's hot, cold. We just fix that up there. We make sure we've got enough on it. You know what I mean? So we want it all here. I might try bend that pipe into it. See how thing goes. It's perfect. Bevels on it. You push it in. A lot of people would have put an elbow on here. So that is the shower onto the valves. What we're gonna do when they come for you, bad boy, bad boy. We're gonna take that out there. Take that out there. Because if there's a scratch on it, that's in there. Right, so you need to put an inner in it. So you need one at a time. Can you see how neat? Right, so that's the hot. Know what we're gonna do? Because high is good. There you've got a groove. On the inside there you've got a groove. Twist it and pull it out. Twist. 10 years ago, look how tidy that is. Make sure you. Oh, look at that. This is like a little masterpiece.
Because it ain't got a lid on it, it's a bit.
It's alright. Get it out of the way like that. Bend that, push it in. Electrician just found an inner. Always make sure you put your inners in it. Twist, put it in. 1 year ago, all up to her. Right, see that there? That is good. The only time you have a problem with it, we like artists. We like it, like a Banksy. Get that in there. Beautiful. That's for the bath, that's for the shower. So you got to file that. Electrician. So for the waste, well, the cost is just. So to get the 240, my boss 45s, we're going to put that in there first. And how I'm doing that is I'm just using a grinder.